Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Gumroad for digital product sales step by step clearly. Visit the Gumroad website at gumroad.com. Locate the sign up button on the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your preferred email address in the designated field. Create a strong password for your account. Ensure your password meets the security requirements provided. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Gumroad. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Gumroad website. You will be directed to your Gumroad dashboard. Fill out your profile information as prompted. Enter your full name or business name in the appropriate field. Add a profile picture if desired, to personalize your account. Next, provide your payment information. Connect your bank account or PayPal for receiving payments. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid payment issues. After completing your profile, navigate to the Products tab. Click on the Add a Product button to start listing your digital products. Choose the type of product you want to sell. Fill in the required details such as the product title, description, and price. Upload your digital files that customers will purchase. Set any additional options, like discount codes or product variants. Once everything is complete, click on Publish to make your product live. Review your product listing to ensure all information is correct. Share your Gumroad product link with your audience. Monitor your sales and customer feedback through your dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.